dear friends. Today I'm going to make a ninja star. We need 2 paper and 1 scissors. Let's start now. First we'll fold this to here. Do like this. After that we will put it, we'll fold like this. Like this. Then here will be one line. So I'll take the scissors and cut it through that line. After we finish cutting, we don't need this paper. We'll take the another paper and do like fold like this how we do before. After that, here will be sharp as that same. Then we will fold like this again. Then we will do like this. Then here will be again a straight line. We'll take the scissors and cut through the straight line. We cut it. We don't need this paper too. So if you have dustbin near to you, you can throw these 2 papers in the dustbin. Then we will open it. Then we will fold like this, like to this side. Then we will open again. Then we will take this side and fold it to here. We'll take this side too and do what we did before. And we'll take this one and put it again like this. This has to be touched in the middle. And here should be one standing line. And here will be one straight line. And we will put this here. Then we will put it here. After that we will do like this. We'll take this paper and do like this. Then we will press it together. Then we'll take any of one paper and put it over here. And it became a small rectangle. We'll take the another paper and put it over here. Then it will become again a small triangle. Then we'll take it off. After that we will take this one and make like an aeroplane. That's how we did like this. Then we'll take another part and do like the same in another side. Then we'll take again this side and it will become like this and put like this. And we'll take it and fold it. Here will be a triangle shape. Then we fold it over here. After that we will take it and fold it here. Then we'll take it and fold it here. Then it will be like this. We'll take another paper and fold here and here. Then we'll do like this, how we did before. Then we'll press it with 2 hands. We'll do like this. It will become like this. Then we will keep one like a plus. Don't care about these 4. Just make it like a plus. Then we will put 1 here. And if we can't put it out, we'll open that and put it. After that we will take the another one and put it inside. After that we will take this one and this one. Finally the Ninja Star blade is ready. Bye friends, I hope you'll subscribe. Bye.